I have another graphics card here. This one is a Sapphire Radeon R7 240. It has 1 GB of RAM, GDDR5 I think. Is it specified somewhere here? Made in China, model number. Oh, GDDR5. Okay, okay. And here's the model R7 240 1 gig GDDR5 PCI Express HDMI DVI VGA with boost. Okay. So this is a very old card. I mean, it's been used for a while. And I just want to do a quick repaste and replace the fan on the cooler with a bigger one, because this little dinky one is too loud when it's under load. So I will put one of these on there. It's from an AMD CPU. It will just connect to the RPM variator, speed control, whatever magajigi. I'll just connect the black wire to the black wire and red wire to the red wire, and the rest I don't care about. This will control the fan via voltage. And let's see, that's about it. No complicated explanation, just take it apart, repaste, and mount the bigger fan. Let's just do it. Undo 4 screws. Easy peasy. Just be careful not to break the chip. And hopefully, let's see. Is it moving or the paste is... Oh, it has the original paste, so it's moving. So maybe it's not that bad. Yeah. Nah. False alarm. The paste is hardened. So yeah, this needs new paste. This is bad. Okay. It wiped up really easily because it's bad. Okay, so let's take off this fan connector and let's try to remove the fan. Oh, it's held in by 3 screws there, and this metal plate by 1 screw. So where did I put my screwdriver? Here it is. This needs a fine tip. I don't know why they use these screws. They could have used normal ones, but whatever. It's not meant to be... oh yeah, I have to take out the fan first. It doesn't let it out. Come on! Oh, this is not the right screwdriver. This is... Okay, my mistake. 1 little screw, 2 little screws, and hopefully 1 more little screw. Oh yeah. Oh, and I can't take out the fan. This is really stupid. I can't take out the fan because the cable is stuck here until I take out the metal plate. So this will be interesting. How did they design this? If I turn it, no, it doesn't fit. Okay, let's see. I take this halfway out and then take out the plug. Okay, puzzle solved. Then I can take out the fan here and take out the metal plate, the screw, some dust, yeah. And let's get rid of the dirt. Not much. That's interesting. Maybe somebody cleaned it before they gave it to me. Oh boy, this brush is crap. This is funny. All the strands are coming out. I bought 3 brushes for less than $1. Oh boy, yeah, you get what you pay for. I need to glue this in or something. Glue the strands together. This sucks. Okay, so this would be like that. And how can I mount a fan here? Just like this, and put in 2 screws like here. Yeah, that could work. Let's see. Does it have anything to bite onto? Yep. Okay. This was easy. And this will blow on anything in the near the cooler. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so let's put it back on, I mean. Some dust here. Now there's dust and the strands of the brush. Oh boy, I got to stop buying cheap stuff. At least for the important tools. Buy some quality. Let's wipe off the paste and put on some nice no-name OEM paste that I bought 20 years ago. Nice and clean. Yeah. Put some skin oil on it. Perfect. And then let's put some thermal paste. Doesn't need much, but yeah, this is the proper way to apply thermal paste. Just put a lot of it to cover everything like that. Okay, pull back on the syringe a bit so it won't come out. And yeah, let's put on the cooler. How does it go? Did I do something stupid? Yes. It doesn't fit like that. Perfect. So I have to turn it around. The fan is sticking out the wrong way. Yeah, it does. Okay. Just making sure that I screwed up. Take these off and flip it around. No big deal. The same procedure can be used here. Like that. And tighten the screws. They go in just a bit, just enough to hold the fan. And yeah, it's perfect. Okay. Let's hope the temperature control will do its thing. Oh, it has a screw here. Is this for the fan? That's funny. Right near where the chip meets the cooler. That's kind of stupid. But whatever. Let's just put it on. There's some more thermal paste here. Come on, get off. It's okay. So it goes on like this. And let's put in a few screws or something. How do you put it together? Watch the mounting holes. They are the red holes. What? There are 2 sets of holes here. Why? I'll use the other ones now. Whatever. Yeah. Oh, you have to use the red ones. Okay. No problem. Got it. Just put in that first screw. hopefully. Yep. And then everything else will fit nicely. Hopefully I don't lose the screws. Come on. I'm being improfessional here. Non-professional. Putting in a screw upside down. That's not gonna work. Okay. These two are put in, and two more. They should support the added weight of the fan. Should be no problem. And yeah, it's almost done. Like this. And to connect the fan, I just take off this piece of plastic. I take this off, and I hopefully can put on the big connector here. There's enough space. Okay. And it doesn't reach this way. The other way. Perfect. It matches closely enough. And I just put it on. It went in. Okay, perfect. So yeah, that's how you silence your video card. That tiny little fan. Twice I put in. It's basically twice the size. Okay, let's hope the temperature control will work well and not speed it up too much. If it actively detects the temperature, then it should be no problem. This will spin slower than the other fan. So yeah, this will be going into the HTPC build where there's a Radeon 5550, and it will be about twice as fast and require slightly less power. So you can see it only draws from the PCI Express slot, no additional plugs. So yeah, this is kind of nice, a nice addition to the HTPC build.